So check it, y'all see that? That's straight froze. Straight froze. Oh my goodness. Y'all made me hurt my face. Y'all stupid. Y'all silly. That's what I be talking about.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So, yeah, y'all, we gonna go ahead and sous vide this for 24 hours at 135 degrees. Now, our meat selection today is simply a piece of top round that I cut up from a whole roast and made into steaks. And the reason that we're sous videing this so long so we can get it tender, because you know that top round can be tough, y'all. It really can be tough. So once we get into our water bath, we're gonna let this sous vide, and we'll see you tomorrow on Lazy Wednesday. Now once I got home from work that night, look at this here. My meal is already ready, y'all. My meal is already ready. You can't get no lazier than that. So once we get it on out, we're gonna go ahead and get it out that sous vide bag and onto our rack. Cause you know what's next, y'all. You know what's next. Gotta go ahead and torch them up. So let's fire that torch on up, y'all. Now we good. Take this and put it in a pan and simply saute it with a little butter just to get some color on it if you don't have a torch. But to me, the torch is the best way because you really don't get any extra heat into your meat, and you're gonna be able to get it exactly how you want it, y'all. Now, hey, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. You know what that is, right? That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, look at that meat just browning up so good. See, that's what I'm talking about. And once we get it all torched up, let's cut into this, y'all. Now, of course, we let our meat rest for a minute, y'all. You can't cut it as soon as you get done torching it. Now you see how tender that top round roast is? Well, we calling this steak. Even though it doesn't quite taste like a steak, it tastes more like a roast. But still, it's still eating like a steak, y'all. But man, this came out so tender and juicy. And you know that top round can be dry, y'all. I'm telling you, that sous vide process saves this piece of meat every time. Take a look at that. See how easy that pulls apart? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here, let's go ahead and take us a bite, see what it tastes like. And like I said, this was just simply salt and pepper, seasoned up and frozen with it on it. So when you're ready to cook it, it's ready to go. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.